You're going to cause a product war, and people are going to get hurt. You will be responsible for every individual that you injure. And we'll peaceful people. Walk, don't run. If you need a medic, walk, put the arms up and walk in on it. And take this home with you. Not the land there that they did to innocent protesters that were peacefully gathered to have them killed. Let the land see. Let the story attention see. Bring it in. But you drop glass in a crowd of peaceful protesters. A mad, violent crowd that asked you to stop doing mad stays. Bring it in.